Hello YouTube, and this is not C4 here with you, and we're gonna put a DVD or a disc thing in the microwave and see what it does. Let's turn it over this way. Alright, 20 seconds. I think you can probably see that. I think it's pretty cool. It really smells not too awesome. Okay, that should be good. Oh man. Alright, go get something I can poke this out with, please. Alright. That's how the disc turned out. Alright. It's sort of melted a little. That's the 300 thing, the cover of it kind of looks pretty good. It kind of stayed. Alright. Ooh, it's burning. Alright, and then the bottom looks all crystallized. It looks pretty weird. But yeah. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video. And thank you for watching.